this might turn out really good or really bad. I'm not sure. Oh, also for beards it says. I'm excited, but I'm scared at the same time.
Who shots you in the face?
Okay, so today we are trying the whole You know what, let's just skip the intro. Today we are trying the whole DIY freckle, at-home freckle, temporary freckle thing. We're trying at least. We're trying to make temporary freckles out of eyebrow tint. Oh, also for beards it says. It's like an eyelash eyebrow tint from RefectoCil? Is that what it's called? I don't know. This one is vegan and cruelty free, so I highly recommend it, and it's really good as well. I also have this one for the eyelashes. Let's just start. Yeah, this is the instruction. Let me just... Yeah, 2 centimeters of this one with... This is the part I don't know, because it says either 10 drops or 15 drops, depending on if you have the cream or the liquid. And I have the cream, but it doesn't tell you which one is the cream and which one is the other one. Let's do in the middle and use 12 drops. What is 2 centimeters though? Is that 2? Oh, well now it's 3, but I'm not sure if this works on the skin. Say 12 drops then. 12. Okay, let's mix this. So I mixed this. Let's just see how this goes. I don't even have a toothpick. I found this. It's a small end of the like incense stick. Is that how you say it? I don't know. So that's what we're using. Let's just start doing this. I should probably grab a mirror. And can we tilt you a bit? So we are doing this, I guess. I'm excited, but I'm scared at the same time. I should have probably watched like a tutorial on how to do this before. So we're just gonna start dotting it around. Maybe I should have mixed it with the black. No, let's not advance it quite yet. Where do people have freckles? Is it just over the nose? Or do they put them like everywhere? I don't have the patience for this. Well, that's not a circle. But are freckles just circles? I don't know. I should have done some research before doing this. I feel like that, like that, like that. Let's Google freckle deckle. Let's Google where they put the freckles. Oh shit, they put them like all over. Okay. Okay, well let's do that. Not like all over, but like forehead all over and chin all over. They put them all the way up here. If my boyfriend came up now, he would be like, what the f are you doing? Like, who has this perfect spacing between every freckle? Was this a bad idea? I'm starting to regret this. I look like I did when I was a kid and it was Easter in Sweden. Your mom like put blush on your cheeks and a bunch of freckles, like big black ones all over. Then you're a witch apparently. I don't know. I remember this one time. You know that in-between age when you were like, you don't know if it's still acceptable to arrive at school dressed up as a witch on Easter. Everyone was doing it when they were in the 1st grade or 2nd grade or whatever. And when you got to like 3rd grade, I was like, well, you do it every year, so why wouldn't you do it this year? And then when I arrived at school, no one else was dressed like a witch. So I was the only one sitting there with like red cheeks and super big freckles all over my face. That was awkward. I'm gonna look so fresh. Let's go up here as well. I don't know. Oh shit, what happened there? What was that? Oh shit. Like that. I mean, what's the worst thing that can happen, right? Oh, what if they turn like really dark though? Like if they turn out like this. Let's not think about it. Should I stop or right now I think I just do this because it's like really satisfying. Like that. Should I stop now? I'm not sure. It's actually quite satisfying. I should probably put some more in between the eyes. Right here. Okay, so now... Okay. Now let's wait for... Oh, it says 5 to 10 minutes and it's probably been like 15 or more. So, but I think I'm just gonna wait for a bit anyway. So maybe 5 or 10 more minutes just to make sure that I actually get some sort of a result. I just removed some from my hand. It doesn't look like a freckle because it's like, this one has a cool undertone. Oh, it's going towards gray because it's supposed to be like more of a cool ashy tone. That doesn't go for freckles, I think. Or maybe I will start a new trend, who knows? Let's just remove this. I should not be talking so much. Well, this is okay, right? What? What? No! No! No, 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 no! Is that... okay? This doesn't look... This doesn't look good at all. No! This is not what I wanted. This is not what I wanted. What color is that? Maybe it's because I used that pick thing. I should have used like... I don't think that's it. No! Why are they like... What? I mean, look at those. They don't look natural at all. They're like round blobs. It's not nice. No! It doesn't come off. Well, I mean, it's not that bad, is it? It's not super bad, but it's not great either, because I think the color is a bit off, and also the shape is really off. From afar, it's actually pretty good. It's not that bad, is it? From here, it just looks like my pores are exploding. Yeah, it doesn't. No, I think I overdid them a bit. So next time I'm not gonna go like crazy, maybe just over the nose, not explode. I'm just gonna have to get used to this for a bit before I can give my actual thoughts about this. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. I would be super happy if you did that, and I'll see you in the next video. I will color my hair again. Yeah, stay tuned because it's gonna be crazy hair color. So, see you next time. You always come and join my video. You love being on YouTube, don't you? Yeah. Temporary freckle from freckle. What the frick? It's not called freckle. Is that a booger? I believe so. Sorry about that.
Who shots you in the face? What are you?
One time. Standard. Baby. One time. Sports, baby. Lego. Passing the prime.